Hey y'all, so welcome back to my channel, and as if you can tell from the title of this video, it will be a get ready with me for New Year's or New Year's Eve, because I'm recording this on New Year's. So if everything goes right, I may edit it and release it today, or I may edit it and release it on New Year's. So today you guys will be getting ready with me for New Year's Eve. I already got my hair, got this wrapped up. You guys will be watching me do my makeup. I don't remember the last time I did a makeup video on this channel. I probably deleted all those videos if we're being honest. But yeah, I'm not gonna really be talking as much. Like, I may explain a few things here and there, but it's not a tutorial. It's just you watching me get ready. So yeah.
Got me all up in my feels. What? In no kind of ways. I be trying to wait, but lately
So first things first is I'm gonna start off with my eyebrows. You gotta start with your eyebrows. Alright, so I had to go off camera to do my eyebrows because doing them on camera was honestly bothering me. And yeah, so we're gonna ignore the way my lace look right now because I'm just gonna do my makeup first and then I'm gonna fix my lace. But now we're gonna get into the eye makeup. Now I have an idea of how I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna just recreate one of these looks, but I'm gonna just do it with a different color. It's gonna be more brown and warm tone instead of the color it was before. So I'm gonna just get started with that. So I'm back. I'm not a makeup artist, but this is the look that we're going for, and I'm gonna repeat it on this one. Reason why I'm choosing these shades is because I plan on wearing my cheetah print dress. That's the plan. So, oh, why am I closing this off? I can't close this off. But anyway, yeah, so we just gonna do what we did here on here. Now, let me go ahead and tell y'all how I did that. First, I just said this wasn't gonna be a tutorial, but oh well. First, I'm gonna take my concealer, take a little bit of that, and I'm just put a few dabs on my eye. Something like that, Use this as a base to lighten up my eye. Next, I'm gonna take the brush that I used to blend out my concealer and use that to, well, like I just said, blend it out. I use it all across my eyes, stuff like that. So yeah. Okay. Now the next few steps are pretty basic. I only use 3 colors. Well, I end up using 4 colors, and I use these 2 palettes here. Nothing hard, casual, easy, lightweight. So first, from this palette, I'm gonna take the shade Fighter, and I'm gonna just use this as like a transition shade to start building everything up. That's what's gonna really give me that crease, you feel me? And the whole point of this look is just really you. What the fuck? Oh. Anyway, the whole point of this look is just you building up colors. That's really it. Now, Now you could probably see it just a tad bit, which is all I need to start with. That's all I need to start with. Now, with the same brush, we're gonna go in with the shade. Corvette. We're gonna go with the shade Corvette. We're gonna take the shade Corvette and we're gonna hop on the jet like that. Now, do you see how, like, when I'm doing it, I'm like just going out and in? Yeah, that's the kind of effect that I'm trying to have. Okay, so now that that part is done, we're gonna go into this palette, and I'm gonna take the shade, this darker browner shade. I'm gonna take this browner shade, Rush Hour, and I'm gonna just really go in on the crease, just like. Like that. I feel like that adds more definition. Ooh. By doing that, I feel like it adds more definition to it. So, and then I'm gonna take that same brush from before to help just blend it out, because I don't want everything to look so hard. You feel me? Okay. So now that I have it looking like this, like that, what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna take a tad bit of concealer to carve out my crease. So I really be saying I'm not doing a tutorial, but I am. Okay, so now that we're looking like this, what you're gonna do next is take a flat angled brush. Using my terms here. I'm gonna take a flat angled brush, I'm gonna wet it, and I'm gonna go back into that Rush Hour shade. And what I'm gonna do now is basically like line it out so that it looks more sharp. Just like that. Now we're gonna take that same flat angled brush, because I don't have another one. We're gonna clean it off. And now I don't like using eyeliner because I feel like that's too easy for me to mess up, and also because I've messed up multiple times while doing that, so I'm kind of scarred in life to do it again. So we're gonna wet the brush and we're gonna go in with this black eyeshadow called Undercover. And you know, we're just gonna kind of create that little cat look. You know, that, you know, I don't really know how to explain. I kind of don't do it right every time, but let's hope I do it right today. Something like that. And then now I'm just go under the eye. Like that. And then I'm gonna kind of wing it out, but not really, because I also suck at doing I suck at doing wings. Yeah. Fudge it out on my yeah, like that. Like that. So I kind of messed up on this part, so you know, it ain't no biggie. It ain't nothing that concealer can't fix. now that we've done that, so now that we've done our eyes and they look like this, done our eyes, it's time to get started on this face. So we're gonna go in and prime. Okay, so now I'm gonna go put my dress on and then do my hair in the restroom, and I'm gonna take y'all with me. Okay. All right, y'all. So we're currently in the restroom. Okay. So I'm currently in the restroom, heating up my curling iron so I can do my hair. And look good. And look good. And look good. And look good. Cause you see it. I see it. We all see it. Ooh, if only y'all can see my body right now. Hold on. Cause y'all will be able to see my body soon. Cause baby. Anyway. So the things that you'll need is a round brush, curling iron, and hairspray. That's all I'm using. So is this a good angle? Like, or do y'all want to see me like this? Or like this? I'll just switch, back and forth. Ugh, I got a big head, like. Anyway, so let's get started. Cool, you gonna see why I said get a round brush. It's because it's the way I like to brush it out. Now first I kind of go in through it a little bit with my fingers, but then like just like that much. And then afterwards, what I do is I get a round brush, and you know, you just go the direction with the round brush and just brush it out like that. Is what I like to do. Oh, I like the way this side turned out. This side always turn out better than the other side. You see that? Yes, ma'am. Hey, yeah. Oh my gosh. That's what I kept trying to be cute. But yeah. Hold on. Hey, Miss Girl.